This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Towne. Updated and ready for its new owners. This impressive 2,800+ square foot home offers a well-designed, free-flowing floor plan which offers great space for everyone. Upon entering, you are greeted with a 2-story foyer which provides great natural lighting. Off of the foyer there is dedicated space for your home office. Also off of the foyer you have a formal living area which flows into a separate dining area. The spacious kitchen offers granite countertops, a canter island, and opens up nicely to an eat-in area and a large great room. The second level offers a spacious primary suite and 4 additional nicely sized bedrooms. This home sits on a large lot and offers a fenced-in large rear yard. Recent updates include newer roof, newer HVAC system, newer hot water tank, new carpet and paint throughout. The location of this home is within minutes to I-64 East and West, which provides an easy commute to military bases, shops, dining and much more. Schedule your viewing today. For more information, review the details below or contact Towne at 757-220-9500.